Hello to all our followers and fans. My name is Jani Viljoen and I'm the director of AECO at Baynes. If you're new to our community, welcome. And if you've been with us for a while, thank you for your continued support. We're approaching our 10-year anniversary and we couldn't be more excited. This milestone has given us the opportunity to reflect on our journey over the past decade and the progress we've made together. Our 10-year theme, Evolve, Elevate, Excel, holds special significance representing both our approach to the work we do and the relationship we've built with our peers, colleagues, and stakeholders. Here's what some of our stakeholders had to say. Looking ahead, we've got a packed calendar filled with webinars, events, and training opportunities, all designed to help you and your organization evolve, elevate, and excel. On the 13th of March, you can catch me speaking at the 8th Annual BIM Conference. This year's theme, Digital Revolution in Construction, Unlocking BIM's Full Potential, offers a platform for professionals and academics in spatial planning, architecture, engineering, construction, and operations to explore the latest advancements in BIM technology. My session, Data Storytelling with BIM to Drive Insights, kicks off at 9:10. If you'd like to join, you can purchase tickets using the link below. Then, on March the 14th, mark your calendar for our webinar, Elevate Your Collaboration and Coordination with Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro. Discover how BIM Collaborate Pro can enhance coordination, streamline issue resolution, and keep all stakeholders aligned throughout the entire project lifecycle. Don't forget to register using the link in our newsletter. Next up, we're excited to launch the first webinar in our 4-part series focused on design for infrastructure. This series kicks off on April the 11th with preliminary design for infrastructure projects with Autodesk Solutions. The session will explore how BIM and Autodesk Solutions are transforming preliminary and schematic design processes to improve efficiency, collaboration, and data-driven decision-making. Be sure to register below. And as always, our training centers are here to support your professional growth with CPD-accredited courses designed to meet industry standards. Whether you're seeking specialized training, tailored consulting services, or looking to upskill your team, we've got you covered. Explore our training calendar on our website using the link below to find the courses that best suit your needs, or reach out to us directly to learn more about our bespoke offerings. In our Transformation Tools catalog, we're excited to introduce our latest eBook, 23 Construction Cloud Tips and Tricks, compiled by our Baynes ACC experts. This guide features 23 tips and tricks to help you unlock Autodesk Construction Cloud's impressive capabilities. Download your free copy at tools.bakerbaynes.com. On the topic of Construction Cloud, we think you'll enjoy reading the success story of architectural pioneers Datascape and Crux Architects, who transformed chaos into clarity with Autodesk Construction Cloud and their innovative digital transformation journey. If you've experienced success using Autodesk Solutions or Baynes services, we'd love to feature your story. Get in touch and let's make it happen. And of course, we couldn't wrap up without mentioning AI, because it's everywhere. In our upcoming ebook, we'll provide a full breakdown of Autodesk AI tools available, along with insights into their problem-solving potentials. Some examples include real-time analysis in Autodesk Forma, giving you the power to perform predictive analysis for wind, noise, and operational energy in real time. Markup Assist with AutoCAD, helping you to convert comments, identify handwritten text, add objects, and automate edits. Construction IQ for Autodesk Construction Cloud, which analyzes data to identify, prioritize, design, quality, safety, and project control risks. So stay tuned. That brings us to the end of this month's newsletter. Next month's edition will be our special birthday feature, so keep an eye out for that. We'll be celebrating throughout the year, and if you'd like to contribute to the festivities, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time.